I'm Kirsten from the Art Gallery, and I'm going to show you how to do Portraiture 101. It's going to be lots of fun. Hi everybody! Today we're going to do Portraiture 101. We're going to keep it really simple so you don't feel intimidated and you can just relax. So start by getting a pencil and some paper and sketch out an oval. Doesn't have to be a perfect oval. This is just your general head shape. And when I say sketch, I mean just lightly go with a pencil. Don't push really hard. Then we're going to do a line down the middle and a line across the middle. This is the center of your face where your nose is, and this is your eye line where the eyes sit. If you wanted to do a 3/4 view, you would do the line over here. But today we're just going to keep it simple. So once you have your head shape with your cross, we're going to add the features. And everything is just semicircles. I'm going to do little semicircles for eyes, and they land right on the eye line. I'm going to do a little semicircle for the nose, and that's halfway between the eye line and the chin. Then let's have some fun, get some details in the eyes. I just like to do partial circles for my eyes, but there are 1,000 different styles and ways to draw eyes. And then I do usually a little circle inside my partial circle, like that. And I like to make the top lid dark, like so. All right. To our little nose, again, that's just a little semicircle facing upwards. Add some other little semicircles on the side for nostrils. You can smush them all together with your pencil. Now the mouth. The mouth is around halfway between the bottom of the nose and your chin. You can make the person smile if you want. You can make them frown. Their mouth can be open. I'll just do a slight smile on this one. And for my lips, I like to do kind of 2 little mountain peaks. Then I just get them how I want them and lightly shade them in like that. For my bottom lip, I just do another semicircle about halfway between the top lip line and the bottom of the chin. And now we have a basic face. That was easy, wasn't it? All right, now we're going to kind of define the chin a little bit more. You can have really angled jaws, really round faces. Look at Disney pictures if you want ideas. They have lots of different face shapes in their films. Just define the jaw a little bit. On either side of the eyes, you can pull your lines in a little bit. That gives some movement to the shape of the face. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just drawing for fun. Now, she looks a little weird without eyebrows. So eyebrows are these lines that go straight up by the nose and the eyes. If you draw on your eyebrows, you already know this. And then from the nose to the side of the eye is where your eyebrow ends. You could give them angry eyebrows or funny, skinny eyebrows. You could give them no eyebrows, like the Mona Lisa. All right, then you throw some hair on the person. I'm going to do little bangs, and let's give our character funny, I don't know, pigtails. There we go. Of course, you can do any hairstyle you want. Right around the jaw, you're going to pull some lines down for the neck. The clavicle would be right about there. And then just draw some lines to the side and down for your shoulders. There you go. It's that simple. Wasn't that easy? And of course, you can continue to add details. Like in this one I added a lot more shading. Here's an example of a really round face shape for this little boy I drew. And you could even pull in some markers and add bits of color and pattern throughout your piece. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.